You may recognise where I am today. It's Williams F1, Grove near Wantage. Now, this is cutting edge, this type of manufacturing, but we're here on behalf of CGTech. It's their 30th anniversary, and also they've got their VUE Day 2018, all about their customers and also resellers. We're going to be speaking to Scott about the day and what their customers and resellers really get from the whole experience. Scott, now 2018, what a fantastic venue, Williams F1, but what does the VUE Day actually offer to your customers and resellers?
So that would be VERICUT VUE, the VERICUT Users Exchange. Essentially, we're here to show the highlights from 8.1 to 8.2, what are the key benefits and enhancements to the user base.
And is it a networking opportunity for the team as well at CGTech?
Yeah, that's the whole point of the user exchange, is for an opportunity for our end users to come here, talk to our engineers, talk to them about the product, is there anything they want new in the product introduced, and also an opportunity to network with our user base as well. So,
Kevin, you've come all the way from Wrexham. Magellan are very, very big in the aerospace market, but can you tell me why you're at the VUE Day at CGTech and the Williams Conference Centre?
Well, I really find these conferences useful. You know, picking up the tips and tricks of the trade. I mean, I've been using VERICUT for a long time. I'm no expert by far. I spend most of my time on CATIA, and coming to these events, getting to chat to the users they're using it a lot more than me. You just get the tips and tricks. You find out the latest versions of the software, write some notes, and go back and detail it to the rest of the guys. Really.
One thing that CGTech and VERICUT are very good at is taking customer feedback and producing better products. Is that feedback important for you as much as them?
It is, yeah, definitely. I work closely with a couple of the technical guys. I'm constantly trying to get them in-house to do a little workshop as well, which we find really beneficial to the guys. I mean, not everybody, we can't take the whole workforce to a VUE seminar, so getting one of the CGTech experts on in-house for a day is totally invaluable, and it's a great service that they offer too.
So when you talk to your customers, not just at these events, but just in general using your software, does that feedback go back to development? Is that where you get your ideas from?
It's the whole point of the event, Mark, really, is to listen to what our users are saying and what they would like to see introduced into the software. So it's not just about us presenting to them about what's in the product, it's about them feeding back to us as well.
It's always difficult to get engineers away from their factories and also their machines, but you've got over 50 customers and resellers here. How do you get them here? Because it's really difficult these days.
Well, I think what we try and do every year is to try an opportunity to go for a different venue. We have a guest speaker, so which takes the subject away from VERICUT, but the guest speaker is always relevant to industry, so there's something there for them to listen to. But also, we want to give people value for money within their maintenance package, within the software. So what we're really trying to promote is, telling our end users we are listening to you. We are improving the software based around your feedback to us.
Jem, you've come all the way from Turkey. You're the main reseller for CGTech, VERICUT, but could you tell me why you come on these VUE days to actually support CGTech?
Yes, of course. Actually, this is a very good opportunity for us for being here, because it's also special for CGTech since it's their 30th year anniversary. And we also wanted to be here to support them, because they have been supporting us back both technically and on sales side for trainings and stuff. And we are very happy to be here next to them.
Bearing in mind that you're the main reseller in Turkey, how many users do you have of the VERICUT software in Turkey?
We have a little more than 40 customers with a total licenses around 150.
And when you come to these events, does it give you an opportunity to see the updates of the actual software so you can relate that back to your customers?
Of course, it's a very nice opportunity to hear from these guys firsthand with the other users as well, because markets change from country to country, and some people would like to focus on different things, and we can see where the market's going, so it's a very good opportunity for us.
Bearing in mind that you're 30 years old, not you personally, but CGTech, it's been a great success in the UK, worldwide with VERICUT, but what do you put it down to from a UK perspective, Scott?
I think in the UK we're seeing challenging parts. Our technology's forever moving forward at a phenomenal rate. And you know, the more the technology moves forward, the more intricate our designs can get. You know, additive brings a whole new mindset to product design and how we're going to make our parts and manufacture our parts. So I think technology is the key driver for our product.
And when you launch products like Force, that's been a fairly new thing as well. How's that gone in the UK?
Yeah, extremely successful. It's been a slow burner, Mark. We launched the product last year, but we've had a good success with that product this year, and we've got a good few opportunities coming our way for probably next year. Now we're starting to work and embark on some new projects with customers. So we're going to sell some more and get some more of that to market next year.
Scott, for those engineers that don't know CGTech, VERICUT and your VUE days, what would be your message to them today?
So if you're not familiar with our brand, our product, what it does, you know, all I would ask the engineers to do watching the video is think about how much time you're spending proving out your programs, and think about how much time and money you could save if you no longer had to take that program to the shop floor and actually prove it out. And essentially that's what VERICUT brings to the business. And if you like the sound of that, then you know, just give us a call.